Hello everyone, welcome back to GSM Tips. Today I will show you something interesting on the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. So if you use it open as it is, and I don't know, you're navigating, you're browsing on the internet, you're using certain app, you're messaging and someone approaches and you want to turn your screen off quickly instead of pressing the power button or having to fold your phone. What you want to do is go into settings, advanced features, motions and gestures, and you have this option here, palm touch to turn off screen. Activate this, and once you touch it with your palm, your screen goes off.
Nice.
If you're in any app or browsing the internet, this works just well for you. So it protects your privacy, and I find this quite interesting and cool. It goes off straight away, so you don't have to fiddle with it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.